meeting one of the residents through the seed library program, like that was really cool and special because I think it was just about like what the intentions of these projects were to find community and other people that want to participate in like solidarity and place-based care, specifically through food and growing. Yeah, I was able to connect with one of the residents through the seed library, and she was able to just show me her garden, her little garden plot that she has in the community garden where she lives. And it was just really sweet, like making that like special connection with her. I guess that's like the biggest success story I feel like there is for me. Yeah, I guess for me now, it's like, it's about the smaller things because I feel like, you know, residents could only do so much. Like we do push for things like more urban agriculture, and there's always that push against like whatever political will or whatever bigger systems exist. But I find the successes in like what we do have control over and just whatever more like intimate connections that take place through this kind of work.